everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner Crafty.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. It's Katrina here. I am coming to you with some Juneteenth concepts that I did with those Libby glasses, and I just wanted to share with you. And these are just some ideas that you can do with them as well. Alright, so for this one, this is the green one. Alright, and it says Proud of My Roots. Alright, and so what I did was I put a body wash in here, and this is a small one. Some earrings. Alright, the Juneteenth pin, of course, our pen and bookmarker. And then I attached the straw here to the side, and attach the lid here to the top. Alright, I did put a little bit of festive greenery down there just to give it a little accent. So that is what this Juneteenth cup looks like. Right, then I did this one. Same thing. Alright, this one has our peach berry bath salts in there, and it does fit down in there. Alright, it's just slightly above the top, but it will fit in there round wise and make a nice accent. We have our Juneteenth earrings in here as well. And then we also have the pen and bookmarker in here too. Alright, so that is what this one is looking like. We have our black girl everything. Alright, this one, I ran out of little bath soap, so I put the eye gems in here along with the bookmark and the pen. And then we have some earrings in here as well. And that is what this one is looking like. Move our earrings around a little bit. Alright, and then this one I used some festive shred at the bottom just to give it a little color and accentuate the yellow, the greens, and the pinks in there. Okay. And then of course we can't leave the fellas out, so a lot of the Juneteenth DTF transfers I had were very womanish. This is one that is completed, and it just, I'm going to change this bow. I don't like that bow, but I left the cup down on this one. Alright, and this one has the bookmark with the earrings and the keychain. No soap in this one though, but they're the earrings. And this is all that is in there. But I didn't have too many masculine transfers to do some for the fellas. So I did this one for the guys, and it just says do it for the culture. Alright, and this is the yellow handmade shred that I made with my shredder over here. Alright, and then in here we have our bracelet and our keychain. Alright, that's our bracelet and our keychain there. Alright, and then I also put, which I'm going to turn a little bit because I want that tag to show. Our tag men's spray in here. And then our bookmark with our pen is also in there. Alright, so this one is a concept for the men with the red top. And I think that these two have turned out super cute for Juneteenth. And then I am going to be going back to working on some Father's Day concepts today, because I do need some more Father's Day items. Alright, so I'll just let you all have a look. I've also put the straws on the sides here, so they all have a glass straw with them. Alright, so like I said, I think that these turned out super cute. So I'm going to bag them and tag them and get them ready to go. I hope to be going out tomorrow for street sales. So I will start tomorrow. I wanted to start today, but I woke up, it was raining, thundering, lightning, had no electricity. So the electricity is back on. However, there are some more thunderstorms and bad weather rolling in. So I haven't even made it out the door yet, y'all. And it's okay. Y'all know I am okay with it. If things don't go my way this week as far as getting out to sell, I will roll this stuff over into Christmas. I will put these Juneteenth items away for next year. And we're going to keep it moving with a smile on my face, y'all. So I'm okay with that if that's what has to happen. You have to be business minded. We will definitely push for online sales as well as social media, etc., etc. So in the meantime, in between time, you all be blessed. I wish you well on all your sales. But most importantly, you all be a blessing. Good night. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner crafty.